The 2025 Ford Motorhome redefines the way we explore, blending rugged performance with luxurious comfort. Designed for adventurers and families alike, it's the ultimate road trip companion, engineered to deliver seamless travel experiences. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Motorhome boasts a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, producing 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. Its advanced 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while an optional hybrid model offers eco-friendly efficiency without compromising power. The all-wheel drive system is perfect for all terrains, from city streets to winding mountain roads. With a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds and a terrain management system for various driving conditions, this motorhome is built to tackle any adventure with ease. Inside, the Ford Motorhome offers a luxurious yet functional design. The living area features comfortable leather seating and a convertible dinette. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, offering stunning views wherever you park. The kitchen includes a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, and microwave, while the bathroom impresses with a rainfall shower and modern finishes. The sleeping quarters feature a queen-size memory foam mattress, ensuring restful nights. A central touchscreen hub integrates navigation, entertainment, and climate control for effortless operation. Starting at $115,000, the 2025 Ford Motorhome offers exceptional value. Upgraded trims with premium features like solar panels and enhanced off-road packages can reach $150,000. It's an investment in freedom and adventure, offering unbeatable versatility at a competitive price. Embrace the road ahead with the 2025 Ford Motorhome. Adventure has never been this accessible or this luxurious.